This is Rocco the Retro Repairman coming at you with another video. Today's task is we have a Sony turntable. This is a more modern one because this is a built-in preamp. The model is PS LX-250H. And what this means by a preamp is that a lot of old amplifiers would have a phono input, which would have a built-in preamp, so that devices such as turntables that needed a preamplifier to play could be utilized. Now, this one ironically has a built-in preamp, so we're going to have it on the on position since this is on the laser disc input of my amplifier. So if you didn't, Pile sells a preamp on Amazon for about $18 that you could use for testing record players or using it on a modern system, or even on your PC if you wanted to. So without further ado, we'll go into talking about how I clean, restore, and replace a belt and get a turntable ready for sale, or trade, however you want to consider that. So what I do is I get a non-fibrous cloth like a chamois and microfiber chamois, and I take Mother's Back to Black and I wipe everything down to clean up any dust build up, and then you take 91% alcohol and some Q-tips, and you're just going to lightly clean your needle there and let that dry. Now for your belt replacement, here's our old one. It's really stretched out and not how it should be. So you're going to take the metal platter off your turntable, and you could just take your fingers in here and just pull it straight up carefully after you remove your vinyl record cover there that goes on top of the platter. So you're going to invert this to put this on and stretch it over like so. Very carefully, make sure it's not any turns and it's flush and flat. And now we're going to put our platter on like so. And what you're going to do is look for the brass running pulley, which is right here. And you could see you can access this rubber belt with your finger from this area. So now that we have our platter on, what we're going to do is carefully take this belt and stretch it over that brass piece here. You see what I did there, camera guy? You're going to stretch it out with your finger and just make sure it's running on there. Now we can turn our power on and plug our system in. It's already connected to some RCA couplers, and I'm going to put my rubber platter on the cover and make sure there's no dust or pet dander or whatever the hell is all around here. And now I'm going to take a disco record, because we all know how you guys like disco. And this is a felt cleaner, just felt, and you run it like this, and you're going to see what this is going to pick up just to clean your record, because we just cleaned our needle. Look, it just picked up all that dust, and it's pretty amazing. So Get Down Tonight, I think, is the third track on this, so I think it's right here. You kids will never know the struggle. We're on the right speed, 33. So as you can see, you can get your afros out and not shave your adult regions and have a party. You know, grab the fondue pot and some Milton Bradley games and get your groove on. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting my passion. And most of all, if you have any questions, just feel free to drop me a message. My number is up on my page. You got my email there, Rocco the Retro Repairman at gmail.com. I'm on eBay, I'm on Instagram, Twitter, the Book of Faces. I don't want to get zucked. Anyways, you all have a good one, and thank you for, again, supporting my dream. Take it easy. Don't forget to smile.